So, is this guy even coming?
He's definitely late.
Well, he's already redecorated the council room into a great-looking evidence room. He is serious about this, and he probably has something important to do.
Sorry for being late. I saw a cute cat on the road and had to pet it. Alright everyone, before we begin, I need to know if I can trust each of you. That's why I've prepared simple tasks that will help us move this investigation forward. Don't overthink them. There's no right or wrong way to complete them. Come on everyone, go!
Investigate the rooftop where Alex accidentally fell. See if it really was an accident or something far more not accidentally. What? The rooftop's locked, but here's the key because I'm so nice. By the way, thank you for the tea, but next time, please add more sugar. It tasted like sadness. Oh no. No way. There's a wrench mark near the railing. That's from me. That proves the railing was sabotaged. This could be considered a murder. I can't believe I made a mistake like this.
Okay, Max, I have a very important question for you. What do you think? Alex's death was an accident or a murder?
It was a murder.
Exactly what I concluded as well. Good work, Max. Alright, everyone. Let's go over what we know. 2 students, 2 tragedy. First, Liam Reynolds went missing on September 6th. It was raining that day. No one remembers seeing him leave school. But here's an interesting detail. Liam was heading towards the incinerator. Then came Alex Mercer. Fell from the rooftop on September 26th, 2 days ago. The bolts on the railing were loose. That's what caused his fall. But here's what doesn't make sense. The headmaster told me the maintenance crew fixed those railings last week, tightened everything. I doubt the crew would ever loosen them, which means someone wanted Alex dead. If these cases are connected, it means Liam is already dead. Somebody probably told him to meet near the incinerator. Then the killer used the situation to kill and get rid of Liam. It means the killer is a student or a faculty member.
But this is...
No, please, you have to accept this. Everyone should think about this. Have a nice weekend.
I don't know when I started to feel like this towards Sarah. It feels like she's the only hope, the only light in my dark world. But I don't have enough courage to tell her how I feel. I keep waiting and the situation keeps getting worse. That's when he showed up. Ethan Creed. He talks to her like she already belongs to him. Like I was never there. He's reckless. A mess. Not someone she should be near. I should make sure that Sarah is safe from people like him. I don't have a choice. Another accident is waiting to happen. Sarah? Where did she go? Hey, Olivia. Have you seen Sarah?
The blonde girl, right?
Yeah, that's her.
Nope. Haven't seen her. Sorry.
Hey, Ryan, right? Have you seen Sarah somewhere?
You mean Sarah from my class?
Yeah.
Then no, I haven't. She usually has lunch in the cafeteria.
Alright. Thanks. Hey Lucas, have you seen Sarah?
Wait. Yeah, I did. She went outside with Ethan. I think they were headed towards the East Fountain.
Got it. Thanks.
So, Ethan, why do you always come here?
It's simple. When I'm frustrated and I need to smoke, I come here because there's no one around.
I can understand. Sometimes I also need some quiet time.
So, he has a very predictable routine. I could use this to my own advantage. I just have to figure out what's the next step.
Why are you so quiet?
Oh, sorry. I was just...
Hey, you two down there. Are you smoking? You better put that out right now. I'm coming down there.
Sarah, run!
Oh, this is perfect. I've got an idea. And it involves a little bit of fire. Now, I just need to find something flammable.
Maybe the other room has what I need.
There has to be something useful here. Perfect. Ethanol. Highly flammable. This will do just fine. Now, I should go to the roof and hide it somewhere. Great. Now I should.
Is anyone here?
I'm really sorry, Ethan. I have to go home.
Huh? Everything okay?
It's my little sister. She fell on her head. Nothing too serious, but my mom needs help getting her to the doctor.
Damn, that sucks.
Before I go, I brought this for you. I remember you said that you like books with interesting topics.
Oh, thanks. This actually looks good.
Okay, bye Ethan. See you next week.
Even better. Now that Sarah's gone, I'll have an easier time. Now, I should follow him and somehow make him frustrated.
Hey Max, can I take some photos of you? It's for a school project.
Sorry, no. But I heard that Ethan is interested.
Oh, okay.
Fuck off!
Wait, Ethan.
Looks like this belongs to me.
Is this a joke? I can't believe this.
He sat close to a sprinkler. If I could find the control box and turn it on, he would be angry for sure. It's not opening. I need to find a screwdriver. Great, now I should go back. It's time to end this.
Somehow a bucket of ethanol just happened to fall on him while he was smoking? And that tragically led to his death? What are the odds? Max, please just put them on the board, next to Liam.
I'm not sure if I should ask this, but what did the police report say?
That's what I wanted to bring up. Miss Jane was questioned. She claimed the ethanol wasn't suspicious. She said it might have been brought up by a science club member helping her with maintenance.
Did any of them confirm that?
Question 2, and every one of them denied it.
Well, I'll be honest. If I was asked whether I left that bucket on a roof that killed someone, I'd say no. Even if I did. Nobody wants to be seen as the one who caused a student's death. So, maybe one of them is lying, which actually supports the idea that it was an accident.
Wow. That's actually impressive, Castiel.
Thank you.
Solid theory, but I don't think so. I still believe this was not an accident. But here's something else. Wait, can you sit down, Max? They found some footprints near the railing between size 39 and 43. The print matches the school uniform shoes.
Let me ask you something, Mr. Elliot. Are you actually investigating? Or are you just addicted to the idea of a serial killer? It's been 3 months since the first called accident. 2 students dead, and we're still throwing around guesses. Are you waiting for a third body before you act?
This doesn't work like that. Every killer makes mistakes. Every murder leaves a path we can follow.
You're insane. Did you just admit that we should wait for more accidents?
I think Miles has a point.
Max, you said that Alex's death was a murder. Now you're saying that these cases could have been accidents now?
Elliot is right. I also remember you saying that it was a murder. You feeling okay, Max?
Well, this is awkward.
You know what? I've had enough of this. This isn't why I joined the council. I'm not built for this. I'm gonna talk to the headmaster. I'm done.
Wait, so Miles is quitting?
It sure sounded like it.
This was an interesting meeting, isn't it? Everyone is free to leave.
I should go to the library. Sarah is waiting for me. Lucas, what are you... I bet he was listening in. Lucas, were you listening in?
No, I wasn't. I just happened to be walking by, that's all.
It's not a big deal that you heard something. The problem is that you ran.
Max, is it true? There's really a killer at school?
No, there is nothing to panic about.
You really think so? I mean, first Liam, then Alex, now Ethan? That's at least 2 deaths in just a few months.
The school is full of rumors, Lucas. I'm sorry that you lost your friends.
I feel so lonely without them. Especially with how weird things have been. Sorry for running. I'm just not good at handling situations like this.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Right. Yeah. Thanks, Max.
I've been watching the news lately. Looks like the headmaster is doing his best to keep everything quiet. So, at least I don't have to worry about that. But Elliot, he's different. He already narrowed the suspect list down to 52 people. In just 3 months. He's getting closer. But I can't stop now. If I do, everything I've done will be for nothing.